The 2026 Alfa Romeo Giulia EV. Think of it as the Giulia you know, wearing an electric heart, but keeping that unmistakable Alfa personality. What's new is more than powertrain. Alfa aims to translate its spicy chassis tuning into an EV package, so expect sharper steering calibration, revised suspension geometry for battery weight distribution, and a sleeker front end where the classic shield is reinterpreted into an aerodynamic signature. Expect lighter weight materials in key spots and more active aero than we've seen on past Giulias, all tuned to deliver the same driver-focused feel but in a silent, instant torque way. Under the skin, the headline is electric. Alfa will almost certainly offer a single-motor rear-drive base and a dual-motor AWD option for the quicker trims. Projected outputs are in the neighborhood of 250-300 HP for the entry EV and 380-450 HP for the hot AWD versions, with battery packs likely between 75-90 kWh usable. Real-world range will depend on spec and wheels, but a sensible target is 300 to 370 miles. WLTP and EDC equivalent claims will vary by market. Fast charging capability, 150 to 200 kilowatts peak, plus well-engineered thermal management for performance use are expected priorities. Pricing and launch. Alfa tends to sit squarely in the premium but not ludicrous bracket. Expect launch prices that undercut equivalent German rivals, roughly mid-$40K to high-$60K, or €45,000 to €70,000 depending on trim and battery. Availability will roll out first in core European markets with North American launches staggered later. The 2026 model year suggests showrooms by late 2025 or early 2026 for most regions. Interior and exterior keep Alfa's emotional design language but EV-ified. Exterior, cleaner fascia, slim LED matrix lamps, flush charging door, and coupe-like roofline on certain trims. Inside, a driver-centric cockpit with a new digital cluster and infotainment screen, premium materials at key touchpoints and purposeful sparsity elsewhere to hit weight and cost targets. Expect more ambient lighting, updated driver aids, and an improved sound system option designed to complement, rather than mask, the electric powertrain. Rivals will be the sporty compact executive EVs, BMW i4, and future i3, i5 derivatives, Mercedes-Benz EQE, and C-Class EV derivatives, Tesla Model 3, in markets where both are offered, and premium newcomers like Polestar 2. The Giulia EV's angle is sharper handling and Italian flair at a competitive price, a great script for vloggers who want to highlight emotion plus efficiency.